Alright, let me get this camera nice and set up. Let's talk about our MSA problem of the day here. We were looking at a quadrilateral KLMN that had all these different degrees in them. K was 98, L was 112, N was 82 degrees, and we didn't know what M was. So the problem here is we need to figure out what is going to be the measure of angle M. The first thing you need to remember is that for a quadrilateral, all four of the angles will always add up to 360 degrees. So I can say that this is some variable, I don't know what it is yet. Now I can write an equation. I've got 98 plus 112 plus 82 plus whatever the angle that is should equal 360. It's technically a one-step equation because I can simplify all this stuff down. If I have 98 plus 112, I get 210, maybe. 210, so I can just carry everything down. 210 plus 82 plus 5 plus 360. Then I can add these two together. 210 plus 82 is 292. Plus 5 equals 360. Now we're down to my one-step equation. I can just take away 292 from both sides. And I'll get whatever my angle is. I have to borrow from here. Makes it a 5, 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. Gonna borrow again. 15 take away 9 gives me 6. 2 take away 2 is 0. So my answer is 68 degrees. That's only the first part though. This is an ECR, so it has some sort of an extension. The extension says now they're going to redraw this this quadrilateral, and K and L are going to stay the same. K is still going to be 98, L is still going to be 112, but M and N are now going to be equal. So I don't know what they are, but they are going to be equal. So that means that M and M equal each other. I can use the same variable because they're both the same thing. So now I just have to write out the problem again. 98 plus 112 plus theta, or I'm sorry, plus 5 equals 360. Well, these two right here is just 2 5, so I can get rid of that. I got 1 5, I got 2 5s plus 2 5. And now I can combine these together to get 210. Whoops, 210 plus 2 5 equals 360. One-step equation again, so I subtract 210 from both sides. And I see that 2 5 is equal to 150. This was a two-step equation, so now I just did my first step. Here's my second. Divide by 2 to get theta by itself, or phi by itself, I'm sorry. 150 divided by 2 is 75. So that means both M and N would be 75 degrees now. And on your own, you can check that out. You can go 98 plus 112 plus 75 plus 75. Check to make sure that gives you 360 degrees. And that's all there is today. This one's worth double points. Good luck with tomorrow's.